Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to compare two files in Notepad++. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. To compare files, we first need to install the Compare plugin. Start by opening the Plugins menu at the top, then click on Plugins Admin. A new window will appear. In the search box, type Compare. You should see the Compare plugin in the results. Select the checkbox next to Compare, and then click Install. Notepad++ may restart after the installation is complete. If it asks you to restart, click Yes. After Notepad++ opens again, open the two files that you want to compare. You can open them using File, then Open, and select your files. Make sure both files are open in separate tabs. Now go back to the Plugins menu, find the Compare option, and then select Compare. Notepad++ will now compare the two files. The files will appear side by side, making it easier to identify differences. You can review the changes between the two files, including lines that have been added, removed, or modified. This is especially useful when you are checking two versions of a text file or looking for changes between documents. If you want to stop the comparison, open the Plugins menu again, go to Compare, and use the available option to clear or close the comparison. And that's it. You now know how to install the Compare plugin and compare two files in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Notepad++ tutorials.